What's up, guys? We're at the track. We're at Atco right now for test and tune. I just got here, got the car, basically getting ready to put the slicks on. Of course, we're having issues. The shitty ass eBay header that I bought, like if you've seen the video previously, the inside runners weren't welded all the way so you can see light. Well, the welds didn't hold up. Now it's leaking, and my wideband was acting really funny. I know there's enough fuel in the car, so I'm not worried about it like doing anything weird. It's just it's gonna wear out the sensor, and then I'm out another $100 on buying another one. But we're gonna send it. We're gonna see what we run. Hopefully we pick up some time. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the car ready, go get it teched in, and then we'll make our first passes. So let's see what happens. All right, we got the slicks on the Rex. I'm about to go get teched in. My buddy Yarrow just showed up. I gotta check the tire pressure, make sure it's at like 10, 11, 12 PSI. We ran it at 10 the first time when I was on CTR cams, but I'm making less torque now, so I kind of want to air them up a little bit. So probably 11.5 pounds. See how it goes from there, and then see what we can do. If we can bang out a 1.7 60 foot with the added power and the added basically gear, because we can hold the gear longer, I'm thinking we could probably want to run a 12.7, 12.6 maybe. We'll see. I don't know. If we can trap higher than a 103, we're definitely getting a lower 12. It's all about that launch though. We got to get that 60 foot down. So I'm gonna go get teched in quick, check the tire pressure, and then we're gonna get in line. All right, guys, we're in line. We're gonna go get our first run in and see what happens. So, all right, guys, we're gonna make our first pass. Wasn't better than our fastest. Reaction time was good, 0.014, but we went 13.2 at 102.9 with a 19460 foot. It's looking like that 10 horsepower we picked up isn't really helping because we need more torque. We lost basically that in torque. So we're gonna get another run, see what happens. Hopefully we can get a better 60 foot and pick up some time. All right guys, about to make our second pass. See what we can do. We're running a coupe, black Civic coupe. Garbage. 193 60 foot, which is still not good. 13.8 at 101 because we missed the second very badly. Yeah, I just have to sort out this trans issue. Pretty sure I just have to go through it and make sure I didn't bend a shift fork or put new synchros in there or whatever, but it definitely has to be done, especially before that B20 comes in, because I want to row gears once that bitch is in here. So, but yeah, I'm gonna try and get another couple runs in, see if I can hit that second gear, see if we can get into the 12s again. The cams are too big for the motor, obviously, but it is what it is. B20 coming soon. Alright guys, gonna make another pass and see how it goes.
understand.
Fuck, man. It doesn't want to get second anymore. I even took my time trying to shift that one. Looks like we're done for the night. I'm not trying to break it, and it doesn't want to cooperate, so. Well, that's it for the B17, guys. We didn't run any better of a pass. Struggled hitting gears, so I am going to probably send the trans out to get face plated. I was thinking about doing that. A buddy of mine told me about it, and it looks like a good idea to do. So I'm contemplating doing that, getting the gears face plated, at least 1 and 2, maybe 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then have a synchronized 5th, so I can not have to worry about the noise back and forth when I'm on and off the throttle. But B17's coming out soon. I just ordered everything for the B20V. I still have to get the oil VTEC feed line. Other than that, everything is coming. Still have to get the fuel lines and fuel filter, as well as the fuel pressure regulator and the fuel rail, and then we'll be 100% ready for the B20V. I did some compression calculations earlier on Zeal AutoWorks, and it looks like my compression ratio is going to be around 13:1, which is very, very good. Hopefully I make in the 220s. 230 would be great, but I'll settle for 220. So I'm pretty stoked for that, and I'm just ready to see where the car is going to go. I have a few more projects that are going to be started soon. My brother's Accord, we're going to get a motor swapped into that and turboed for him. So I'm excited, you know. A lot of things going to be happening soon. I haven't really done much. This clip is like 2.5 weeks after the racing in the last clip, so I haven't really had motivation to do much. But once all the stuff gets here for the B20V, I'll show you guys, and send the block out to get cleaned, all the parts cleaned that I need to get cleaned, and start assembling and putting it in the car. I want to have the trans back before that, but I'm going to pull it out and inspect it, see what the actual issue is with 1 to 2 shifts. I might just have to not power shift. We'll see. And ever since I moved the throw of my shifter to add the 3-inch exhaust in, I've had trouble shifting as well. So maybe try and fix that issue too. So we'll see what happens. But that's all for this one, guys. B20V coming soon. I'm excited, and hopefully get that 220, 230, and maybe run 1150s. We'll see. But that's all for this one, guys. Later.